Hi guys. Oh, hello. And I'm gonna be showing you my pets. First, let's begin with this. Dun, dun, dun. It's a turtle. My turtle. Okay. Let's begin with the other one. This one. The monster. Dolly? Bitch. Dolly. Where is she? She disappeared! You can see her. Dolly? 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 Come on. Come on. Well, I don't know what she's doing, but I'll show you later in the video. This is the other. Dun, dun. See her? It's a girl. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Dun, dun. And I haven't even put lotion on him because I didn't want to. I hate lotion. Dolly, come on. Come on, show your face. Where are you? Show your face. Show your face. This is Julie. Okay. Ugh. Oh, there's another one. Him. Say hi, tortoise. I see another tortoise. Dolly's gonna snap your nose off. So you better be careful. Dolly's like curious. She's like, what is this thing? It's gonna eat me. Next tortoise. And yes, I don't have a lot of pets, but they are the best. And tortoise, I don't know, I like it because over winter we put her there because one time it was raining super hard. Let me go on the shade. Okay. One time it was raining super hard. It was raining super hard, and then they switched it. Daddy, what are you doing? See if I can catch it. Where is she? Right there. Can't see really good. So thank you guys. Those were my pets. Thank you. Subscribe, leave a like. If you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.